Hi traders, good morning all. Sorry, yesterday I was traveling so couldn't make the video yesterday night. Sorry for that. Okay, let's see what is my plan, a trade plan for today's expiry. What happened yesterday, let's discuss that first, and then we will move towards the trade plan. So basically market open flat here, open flat, nifty, bank nifty open flat, started driving lower. This was where the Friday the bounce happened. Okay, this is the zone where Friday bounce happened. So what I was expecting is, I thought market might push towards this before any fall. Okay, so that was the plan. So that was the expectation I was having. So this is the zone where I went long, okay, for this as a target last Friday, 35,200. This was the target zone, first prof zone. Okay, so what I felt was, I felt again the same sort of expectation here, where I felt this zone will take support and then this will move here before any fall. So what I did was, I took a test size long here, then I added after this rejection I added. Okay, this rejection I added. So here I kept a stop loss. All of a sudden this broken. Okay, so here I used to place stop loss M. Okay, so I never put the trigger point all that. So I keep a stop loss M. So here I gave up some 0.75 R extra risk. That's all happens and fine. But I should have waited for this VWAP to cross. Okay, VWAP was sitting here. So VWAP cross and then pull back. That would have been a better trade. Again, I always say, right, every trader have his day where he will be forced to go out of discipline. That happens actually. Okay, so then what happened after this dramatic fall here, where it tested the VPOC level, and then market started scaling higher and closed here, especially bank nifty. So this VPOC of this day, okay, this day, 21st June, 320. Okay, so this was the VPOC which not been tested. So this line, so that been tested on this fall. Okay, so here it came, here it came. So even this day I was expecting this, but not triggered. So all of a sudden this triggered and went below that, but reclaimed it and closed here. Okay, so in bank nifty, what I am expecting today is, in case I don't know where SGX or what it is trading. So this is the bull bear zone, 34,850. Price holding above this. Okay, price holding this above this comfortably. We are on for this VPOC 35,070 and even 35,200. Okay, here there will be some resistance happening around 35,000, 34,950. We need to watch this zone very clearly. Okay, on the other hand, if we open somewhere here and if we resist this line, okay, this 34,850 zone and comes down, so we are on for testing this 34,590 and this VPOC level. Okay, so 34,530 is where the support holds. Any downfall will happen only below this if price stays comfortably. If price auctions below 34,530, we are on for 34,310. If 34,310 breaks, we are on for yesterday's low. Okay, so this is the bull bear zone for today. 34,530 is the zone. Watch this carefully. So keep it 34,500. If it breaks, then we are on comfortably for this 200 point fall. If 34,300 breaks, then we are on for one more 200 point, 34,100. In case if it doesn't auction below this, probably, and not auction above this. Okay, so keep this and this as the zone. Only above this here, only below this here. Anything below this, auction will be like this. Okay, so within that range. So that is for Bank Nifty. And Nifty, the same case. This POC, I mean this VPOC was not tested yesterday, so it opened in the opening minute itself. It tested, it came down and pushed below this. Okay, it came down and pushed below this. We took a support here. Okay, so we took a support on this line. If you see 15,537. okay, so see this is where the support being taken, a V-shape recovery, and it keeps started scaling higher. So again here I would be watching this zone 15,740. okay, here Nifty have lot of zones to cross. Okay, 15,780, 15,800 mark it need to cross. So I will keep 15,820. okay, this value area high is what bulls need to take comfortably for this time. If this takes, we are on for 16k. okay, until this is not taken, bears can strike anywhere. So here you need to watch how price reacts here. On the higher side, you watch this zone carefully, 15,780 and 15,820. okay, this zone is to be tracked carefully. And Nifty looks a tricky expiry today, basically, and monthly expiry, being a monthly expiry also, this looks a very tricky expiry. So probably until 15,700 doesn't breaches, okay, bulls will try to scale higher. If 15,700 breaches, we are on for this POC level, yesterday's POC level 15,650. If 15,650 breaks, then value area low of 15,600 likely to get tested. Okay, so we need to watch this zone carefully on Nifty. Nifty looks tricky to me. Bank Nifty looks clear to me. So if I trade Nifty today, I will be waiting patiently for a better trade and better trade location. I won't just go and enter just like that. Okay, second thing, on open interest front, there are a lot of coverings happened here. 15,950, 15,900, a lot of unwindings happen here. So probably that said, yesterday's volatility would have been triggered that, because yesterday we had a nice volatility. Okay, say like nearly 200 point swing. Okay, this is what volatility does actually. See the range, 15,780 high and 15,500 is the low, nearly 280 points range. Even if you see here, somewhere close to 15,900 and 15,700. So again a 200 point range. When India VIX rises, okay, this is what happens irrespective of side. What people think is, if India VIX rises, then we are on for fall. Probably even this can happen. That's what I said. Bear market is very crucial for a lot of systems. Why? Because there's a lot of traders comfortably trading a momentum on one side. Here the momentum will happen both sides. Okay, the short can happen as well as the short covering can happen. So that's why I say if you can spot the short and if you can spot the short covering, that's where you can make big money as a trader. Okay, so on open interest front, the highest OI being at 15,800 and 15,500 as of now. Yesterday's close again nearly a 300 point range. So probably we need to watch how 15,600 and See again here, this is closer, 65 lakhs, 63 lakhs. Okay, so only 2 lakh difference. So we need to watch. So open will be very crucial here. That's for Nifty and Bank Nifty as far as concerned. So 35,000, okay, 35,000 and 34,000. This is the broader range, and here the concentration is happening, 34,500. So probably we need to watch 34,500 how the put option builds here. Okay, this is not much. I mean, like, so in case if this is goes, this 500 point is very easy for that. So today one need to be very need to have a good screen presence. Okay, don't trade just like that. Volatility will be there, or as I said, we are going to go for a flat expiry within this range. But see the range, the ranges are big. Even 740 to 650, it's a 100-point range. Even 800 to 720, it is a nearly 80-point range. So range is going to be here. If you time the options very well, you can make money. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, if you love the video or like the video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And I'm just making that how to choose option strike video. Okay, I want to keep it at a lot of option series coming forward. So just look forward to get some questions from you to answer in a simple way. Thank you so much. Have a lovely expiry trading day, and as I always say, respect the risk. If there is a trade, go and trade, and if you are an option buyer, especially on expiry days, try to take advantage of trading after 1:30 or 2 p.m. Okay, that way you will get a good premium, as well as if you strike it on the right side, your chances of making money or making returns on percentage terms is going to be high. Thank you so much. Take care. Happy trading. Bye all.